In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Bookings for meeting rooms, full guide. We're going to set up a simple, reliable booking experience so people can reserve a meeting room without back and forth emails. By the end, you'll have a booking page you can share across your organization, complete with availability, policies, and the right room settings. Start by opening bookings.microsoft.com or access bookings from the Microsoft 365 app launcher. If it's your first time, you'll see options to get started. Choose Create New Booking Page and select Shared Booking Page. Shared pages are ideal for meeting rooms because multiple people can help manage them, and the page can represent a resource everyone can book. Give your booking page a clear room name. Use a consistent naming convention like floor building capacity so it's easy to recognize in search and in calendars later. Next, add staff members who will manage the room or need to be associated with it. These could be office admins or facilities coordinators. Set their permissions so they can view and edit bookings, and decide whether bookings should use their availability to determine open slots. If your organization uses room resource mailboxes, make sure they're added here so bookings land on the correct calendar. Go to Services and choose Add New Service. Think of a service as the reservation option your users pick, such as Book Conference Room A, under Location, add the physical room location, or set it to Teams Meeting if this is a virtual room. If it's a hybrid space, you can still include a physical address and enable the Teams option so attendees get a join link. Set the default duration for reservations and add buffer time before and after to allow for setup, cleanup, or turnover. Buffers help prevent back-to-back bookings that leave no time to reset the space. Assign the room itself or the staff responsible for it to this service so the correct calendar is reserved. This helps avoid double booking and ensures confirmations go to the right people. Configure availability and policies. Align service hours to when the room is open, set how far in advance people can book, require lead time before reservations, and decide on cancellation rules and attendee notifications. These controls keep the schedule realistic and manageable. Open the booking page section, choose who can book, anyone with the link or only people in your organization. Adjust time zone and display settings, then click Save and Publish. Finally, copy the booking page URL and share it in emails on your intranet or embed it on a team site. Test the link once to confirm the experience looks great, and you're done.